at the corner, number 6, and it's Thiago, their third different taker. And that one's on frame from Arturo Vidal! Bayern with the first goal in this quarterfinal against Real Madrid. Ribery holds it up on Ramos. Ribery was blocked. They're thinking about the penalty. Penalty, says the referee. The additional assistant referee looked like had some consultation there. Carvajal the guilty party. Vidal a chance for a second straight Champions League match to score 2 goals. And what a big moment that might prove to be. Wide for Carvajal. Ronaldo right on the scene. That's all he needs is a half inch of space. 90 seconds into the second half. And it's all square in Munich. 96. Asensio now on the left. He'll hook in the cross, looking for Ronaldo, and it's stuck through that time. Neuer couldn't keep it out. Ronaldo's second, his 100th career goal in European competition, and Real Madrid have swung this first leg on its head.